Good morning, you guys. So today I'm gonna go get my nails done, so I'll show you guys a nail vlog in a separate video and like the process and everything of my nail tech, and then I'll show you guys obviously where I go once again, because I always get questions about it. My makeup looks impeccable today, like oh my god, like it looks so freaking good. I used the Lila B a glow mist, and I also used their new highlighter, and it looks amazing. Like I can't even explain to you guys, like I look airbrushed in person. This is crazy, but I always get compliments on makeup, so it's not like it's anything new. But yeah, I'm wearing my meshki crop top, which I love. They actually changed it. I think they just put like an M, it's like an embellished M in the color of the shirt, so it would be like a black embroidered M, and it doesn't say meshki on it anymore, which I will probably get those because I really like these tops for this pant, and then I also like them for just my regular dressy pants because I think it's kind of cool to like mix casual and dressy together. I'm wearing these boohoo pants that lace up here. I love these so much, and I cannot find them on the website anymore. Definitely one of the best. This is probably the only boohoo item that I have in my closet, to be completely honest. Like I don't think I have anything else, but this I kept because I really liked it. I won't be doing any more like collaborations with boohoo in the future just because I don't want to support fast fashion, and I know that some people say that Express is similar to fast fashion, but I feel like their pieces are really good quality, and I think that they'll last a long time. They're not like wear it twice or trendy items that, you know, you won't be able to use over again. So I just wanted to mention that. And yeah, so then my shoes are my Supergas because I wanted to tie in the white and I didn't want it to just be like all black. So yeah, let's go get my nails done. Hi guys. Okay, so we are in the car now and I'm going to head to my nail appointment. I just wanted to talk to you guys for a bit because it's been like a freaking while, and I just feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a really long time. So I got a few questions about a few things, Korea, surgery, Cambodia, if I'm still going, all that jazz. And I just wanted to be like completely honest with you. My surgery for Korea was going to be sponsored, and then I inevitably got cold feet. I knew that I would, and so I decided to back out of it. And when I did that, they actually ended up choosing someone that same day, and they were like, okay, whatever, like, you know, like you're not gonna do it. And then I decided to go back in, and they said they had already chosen someone. So they're not gonna let me know until Tuesday. By the time you guys watch this, you guys would have already seen whether or not I am going or not. My decision would have already been made, and I really wanted V-line nose and eyes, but I don't know if I will be brave enough to get V-line. A lot of people tell me that my face shape is fine and everything, but sometimes when I take pictures with my boyfriend, I feel like my face just looks a little bit more wide, and I think people think it's a little bit smaller just because I always have my hair down and stuff, but it is like a squared, like if you take this off, like my face just looks like squared. So yes, I am just not sure about what I want to do, and I'm like just kind of going back and forth and being wishy-washy about it. I would have to put a deposit and then, you know, whatever, so just to ensure that like I would make all the videos and everything. So I just wanted to be completely transparent and let you guys know that. So it's just been like a tough decision for me because this is my face and I don't want to get botched, but it's like 1 in 10,000, but it's like I just hope that I'm not the 10,000th person. So I'm just kind of nervous about it, and I do want to do it. I really am. Just, I think the more that I think about it, the more I feel like happier that I'll be if I get it. So I don't know, I've just been kind of like back and forth, and hopefully that I can do it, and I will have someone there to take care of me. It's not like I'm going to be taking care of myself, or I need like family members to be there with me. I don't at all. I essentially just need, you know, like a caregiver there, so I will have that. And yeah, for now I'm just uncertain about it because it's such a huge procedure that I got scared. Obviously, Cambodia, I obviously won't be going to Cambodia if I do get the opportunity to go to Korea and get my surgery done. I just feel like it's a once-in-a-lifetime thing, and it's something that I really want to do, and I can go to Cambodia whenever I want, maybe when it's like better weather, because it is flooding right now. So I've been trying to decide what the best time is, and everyone told me like January and December, so I'm hoping that I can still go. But traveling alone is definitely scary. I know that you have to be very aware of your surroundings, especially if you're a girl. It's a lot more dangerous, but you know, I've never been scared to travel alone, and I've done it so many times that I just kind of feel like I kind of feel like I'm used to it, and I do make sure that I'm very aware of my surroundings, so that's that. And then also I got questions about my birthday vlog, a birthday haul, and things like that. I'm not exactly sure if I'll be posting a birthday haul, just because I wanted a Chanel mini, and I know I said like it's so ugly, blah blah, whatever. I think it's ugly if you wear it with casual clothes. I don't think that it's necessarily ugly if you wear it with dressy clothes the way that it's meant to be worn. I just don't think it looks good when it's casual. That's when I think it looks ugly, but I would definitely just wear it when I go out, or when I am wearing, like, going to a business dinner or something. I think it's very appropriate. So it just really depends on your style, and obviously not everyone is going to agree that it doesn't look good casual, because that's how a lot of people wear it. It's just my opinion, and you kind of just take it with a grain of salt. You don't have to listen to everything that I say. I know people really take it to heart, and it's not that serious. For my birthday, I guess I'll just give you guys a recap of my birthday then, since I won't be posting a vlog, and I'll leave some clips here so you guys can see that. So for lunch, I went to Matsuhisa. I went to Louis Vuitton to go see if the bag that I wanted was there, and it wasn't, so that was kind of disappointing. But I went to Matsuhisa for lunch. I got a bunch of different sushis and everything, and it was so yummy. Like, I forget what I got. I know I got the spicy tuna with the crispy rice. I also got the udon soup, but I didn't get the udon noodles. I just got the soup because I wanted the tempura. And I also got salmon sushi. I got like a blue crab roll, I think. I didn't really enjoy that too much. I probably won't get that again. And my boyfriend got scallop tuna. Like, I could have gotten whatever I wanted there, but I just don't think that I was too hungry that day. I mean, Matsuhisa is like such a wonderful place. It's Nobu's restaurant, so I really love it, but I just like don't think that I was that hungry, so I didn't get a lot there. And then for dinner, and then we went to Farm Shop, I believe, to go get a few pastries, and then I went to go pick up my cake from Sweet Lady Jane. One of my really good friends got it for me, and it's the triple berry buckle cake, and it's so yummy. It's like my favorite cake ever, and I think the cake isn't cheap either. It's like $55, and it's only for, I think, six or seven people, so it's not big by any means, but it was just such a thoughtful gift because she knows that I love that cake, and she got it for me, so I was so grateful and just really happy about that. I also got an espresso machine from my friend Karen, and I was so surprised by that. Granted, we do give each other gifts pretty often, but I was just surprised that she chose that, because I remember that I was mentioning that I wanted one, so I got it with the frother, and that was really awesome. So I ordered up some capsules. I think I spent like $147 on capsules, and I love the new recycling program that they have, so I'm definitely gonna do that and recycle the pods. I got an iPad for my boyfriend, which I love, so I'll just tell you guys what I got for my birthday, I suppose. And also the pencil, and then some Beats headphones, which actually came with it for free. If you guys are a student, then you guys would get like the student bundle, and then you get like $200 off, which is really cool, and then the free Beats, which was like amazing. I got the iPad Pro. I don't know, like, it's just an 11-inch. I don't really know like the specs or anything. I know that I have 256 gigabytes, and I know that it's amazing and I love it, so I just am so excited for that. Can I go? So yeah, I've been using it like all the time, and I absolutely love it, so definitely have been putting that to use. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I got for my birthday. I didn't get a bag or anything just because I wanted the Chanel mini, and like I said, it's just not in stock. And I went to Louis Vuitton looking for the Santa Monica. Was it the Santa Monica bag or the, I don't know what it's called, but I'll leave pictures on the screen so you guys can see. So I've been looking for a few bags. They just don't have them in stock, so it's very frustrating. I wanted to do like a huge haul and everything, like luxury birthday haul. I still might do it if, you know, the bags end up coming in before I leave for my trip, or even after. Like, I don't care, I'll still film it, but it's just kind of like, you know, like I didn't get it on my birthday, so it's kind of like disappointing for me. And then, okay, let me go back to my birthday. For my birthday dinner, I was so full from Matsuhisa, like I wasn't even hungry, but I just kept eating. After that, I took a nap, and I was just so happy to be on my iPad and everything. I actually ended up asking my boyfriend to take me to Yazawa because we wanted to do Madeo, but Madeo was closed on Mondays, and I love Madeo, but the last time I was there I got food poisoning, so I just haven't been back, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know, I'm like taking a break from it. It was like my go-to place. I love the spaghetti there, but I just haven't been able to look at spaghetti the same. So I haven't been going there. So we went to Yazawa, we did Japanese barbecue, we got Wagyu steak. I think we had like 5 pieces for like $50, which is crazy. And I know that people look at, you know, my vlogs and they'll compare it to someone else's, and you know, the other person might want it to seem like more luxurious, but I definitely do think that I live a pretty well life, and I think that we're not really price sensitive about food or anything, and I definitely think that eating at, you know, these places are just kind of normal for us. So it didn't really feel like a birthday, but it was just a little special because, you know, my boyfriend took the initiative to be like, happy birthday, and he was really sweet to me and everything. So I definitely think that that added a little something extra. But as far as the food and going to restaurants like these, it's a normal thing. It's not really like, oh, it's a special occasion, like let's go to a very expensive restaurant. It's kind of just something that we do all the time, and I feel like everyone has their time when they reach that point in life. And I'm not like rich or anything, okay, I don't want you guys to think that, but I definitely am comfortable, and I could live on my own if I wanted to. Speaking of living on my own, I actually got kicked out today, so that's why I'm running a bunch of errands and just doing my own thing. Football Sundays, what else can you expect? All the guys are over at my house right now, and it's just such a sausage fest. I decided to just go ahead and get a car and then just do my own thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, I think that, you know, it was funny because I've heard so much about Kazunori, and it's like a sushi restaurant, and it's like amazing and it's great and everything, and I know that there are other great sushi places aside from Matsuhisa and Roku's only good if you're sitting with Jason, which is our sushi chef. I mean, in my opinion, we wouldn't go there on any other occasion. I did really enjoy Matsuhisa, and I heard of Kazunori through a few people, one person that I used to know, and then Mimi was actually talking about it, and she was telling me like it's really inexpensive, but it's really good, and it's actually a really popular spot. Like, people really like that spot. But I mean, when you put it in a vlog and everything, I'm thinking like, oh my god, it's like crazy extraordinary, you know. I thought it was like a really expensive spot or like, you know, exclusive or something, but it's not by any means. It's just really cheap, good quality, great sushi, which I think is incredible, and I would definitely go there just to try it out. I actually wanted to go there today, but I'm gonna see if I have to go shopping for my Express campaign. So if I have to go shopping for that, then I would just do that. Oh, when I'm gonna get the email. Oh wait, I actually probably got it, and then I can go after I get my nails done, which would actually be good. No, I didn't, not yet. I want to get this done before I leave for my trip, but it's taking forever. In that regard, I just, you know, very, very little things like impress me. I mean, I used to get $200 lash extensions, and I didn't. What the fuck? Go! If you're gonna fucking go, if you're gonna cut me off, then fucking go. Like, what the fuck? Asshole. So I feel like if I want, I didn't stop because of the price or anything. Like, my eyes were actually really itchy, and even my optometrist told me that I needed to take a break from them because I was getting like an eye infection, not from the lashes, but just because my eyes were always dry, and that caused like, I don't know, it's disgusting, so I don't even want to talk about it. My eyes were just so dry that my contacts were getting dry, and I had to use dailies, and so it was just like this whole dilemma when I got my lashes done, which is why I stopped in the first place. And then I realized like I was just saving a lot of money. I found alternatives, and I mean, I don't really care. It's just a hassle to go and get them done all the way in Long Beach, and I have family there, but it's like, I don't know, it's just kind of annoying because I would want to hang out with my friends, and they're only available on the weekends, and it's a bit much, you know, it's a bit much. So just the process that I have to go through to get my lashes done is too much for me, but getting them done and paying for them, like, I really don't care. I would still do it if she was a lot closer, if I didn't have to like get a rental car and do all that, because in the broader spectrum it ends up being $200 for a fill for me, like with the whole getting a car and everything and the things that I have to do. So it got really expensive, but if she was close, it's not like the price of getting the lashes done, it's everything all together with getting the car, paying for the gas, paying for the car wash when I return the car, and it's just kind of stupid. So think smarter, not harder. And so I'm looking for a place that is closer to me because I still want my lashes done for my trip. Actually, no, I can't get them done if I'm gonna fucking get my eyelid surgery, so that's stupid. I wonder if they'll tell me to take my nails off, because I have an overlay, and you're not supposed to have like your nails painted or anything when you get surgery. So I might be wasting my money right now, but we'll see. I'm gonna go and continue the vlog for the nail vlog, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So I just finished getting my nails done. You guys will see that vlog before this one. So I have to go to Express now, and there is a lot of traffic, so I'm gonna try to do this really quickly. So I'm gonna go to Express, and so, oh, actually I could go to Culver City, but do I want to go to Culver City? That's like way closer actually. Okay, so I'm so tired right now, and like I don't really want to like do anything. We'll see. I have to go to one of the Expresses today because I have to film tomorrow and get my outfits together, so hopefully I can get it done. This is what I'm gonna have as a snack. I don't want this anymore. I'm gonna make a latte. I'm just waiting for my milk to froth and then my shot. Baby, what do you want for dinner?
Let's get to it. Now to 50% off.
Samples of what they're selling and the different types of ponds they sell and all that. And let me know what your order is. And I'll order a bunch too.
Making the time
They deliver it. It's here like
in
2
the
days.
first ever 8-passenger Hyundai Palisade.
So I'm gonna eat my namuchok, and then I'm just gonna start doing a little bit of work and then deleting footage off my computer because I have way too much. So I need to go ahead and just eat because I'm starving. Like, I'm just gonna have some pomegranate now. This is like a small cup. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just like to have like a cup whenever pomegranate is in season, a cup a day, just because sometimes this is like the only fruit that I eat all day. So yeah, I'm gonna snack on this and just keep watching some YouTube videos because I have so much to catch up on. I just like want to watch everyone's videos today. So yeah, I'm just gonna be having this.